Hello दोस्तों, imagine a simpler, faster and smarter way to manage your taxes in India. PAN 2.0, a revolutionary initiative by the Government of India, is here to redefine how we use and manage a permanent account number. Designed to streamline processes and integrate technology, this project promises to bring convenience not just for individuals but also for businesses and professionals. PAN or Permanent Account Number is a unique identifier issued by the Income Tax Department to track financial transactions and ensure tax compliance. With over 780 million PANs issued, covering 54% of the India's population, the system needed a revamp to handle growing demands. PAN 2.0 aims to bring all PAN-related services under a single unified portal, making everything from application to corrections more efficient. ये प्रोजेक्ट ना सिर्फ टैक्स पेयर्स के लिए इजी बनाता है बल्कि एक रोबस्ट डिजिटल फ्रेमवर्क के साथ इंडिया की ई गवर्नेंस कैपेबिलिटीज को भी स्ट्रेंथन करता है। तो अब सवाल ये है कि पैन 2.0 है क्या और ये आपके लिए क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है। PAN 2.0 is an e-governance project by the Central Board of Direct Taxes aimed at re-engineering taxpayer registration. It consolidates all PAN-related services like allotment of new PAN, updating or correcting existing PAN details, reprinting lost or damaged PAN cards, online PAN validation for financial institutions, banks and government agencies. All these services will now be hosted on a single unified portal, replacing the need for multiple platforms like e-filing portal, UTTSL portal and Protein e-government portal. मतलब अब आपको अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म्स के चक्कर नहीं काटने पड़ेंगे। एक यूनिफाइड सिस्टम के साथ आपके पैन रिलेटेड काम फास्ट और पेपरलेस हो जाएंगे। चलिए अब बात करते हैं पैन 2.0 के की फीचर्स और उन बेनिफिट्स की जो हर टैक्स पेयर के लिए गेम चेंजर बन सकते हैं। फर्स्ट, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पैन, ई-पैन. Every existing PAN card holder will automatically receive a free e-PAN via email. Those needing a physical card will have to apply and pay a nominal fee of ₹50. Paperless corrections. Name, address or other corrections can now be made online with Aadhaar authentication without physical documentation. Streamlined services. No need for separate logins on multiple platforms. A one-stop portal for all PAN and TAN related services. Faster processing. Real-time PAN validation for institutions like banks and state departments. Enhanced security. Integration with Aadhaar ensures better data accuracy and fraud prevention. Economic impact. Simplified processes reduce compliance costs for individuals and businesses, boosting ease of doing business in India. Professionals और businesses के लिए भी PAN 2.0 एक बड़े बदलाव की तरह है। तो समझते हैं इसका उनके लिए क्या मतलब है। Professionals can use real-time PAN validation to onboard clients faster, especially for KYC processes. Financial institutions and businesses can streamline compliance with the online PAN validation feature. Reduce the risk of errors in transactions due to Aadhaar PAN linkage. Allows businesses to update employee PAN details seamlessly, enhancing the payroll accuracy. Similar to the Social Security number system in the US, PAN 2.0 offers a universal identifier for Indian taxpayer, streamlining regulatory compliance. अब बात करते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट का विजन क्या है और ये प्रोजेक्ट कैसे भारत के टैक्स सिस्टम को और मजबूत करेगा। Government efforts. PAN 2.0 is a part of India's larger Digital India initiative, ensuring seamless e-governance, focused on integrating PAN with other financial platforms for direct tax reforms. Future prospects. Enhanced data analytics for better tax compliance monitoring, possibility of integrating PAN with GST for businesses to create a single tax identifier, potential reduction in the tax evasion due to Aadhaar PAN integration. Aadhaar PAN linkage has already seen over 605 million PAN cards linked, ensuring accurate taxpayer records. PAN 2.0 सिर्फ एक टेक्नोलॉजिकल अपग्रेड नहीं बल्कि एक ऐसे भारत की तस्वीर है जो अपने टैक्स पेयर के लिए ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस और ट्रांसपेरेंसी को प्रमोट करता है। अगर आप एक टैक्स पेयर हैं तो इस सिस्टम के बेनिफिट्स का जरूर यूज करिए और अपने पैन को आधार से लिंक करना ना भूलें।